Rumah Marsel. Di rumah Bapak? Akhirnya? And semuanya here untuk selamat datang ke Marsel, Neni, MemeJegeg. Apa?
Yes, Neni. I feel like I should dance.
The river. Just went for a swim, washed ourselves, washed our clothes, and here's Vince sharpening his knife. Aji, hi Aji, you clean?
Pretty clean. The first time I had my hair washed in a few days.
Feel good?
I was in the river, too. Yeah.
Nice spot. What are you doing? Oh! I get it. Tajam? Being serenaded, menyanyi untuk Meme, tapi mungkin terlalu jauh. Pulang?
Bola yang kecil. Bola atau bola ini?
Kiri, kiri.
Kiri, kiri, kiri. Kiri. Oh, tero.
Here comes some more.
Teh, mai chan. Teh nusit. Poli Tahun.
And there's the spreading.
Erik mana sendal? Sendalnya Erik mana? Sendalnya mana? Hah? Hilang? Tuh mana guys? Oh. Look. Sammy, the old buddy. Yep. A great piece. Yeah, looks good. Looks very good.
Aha! Terima kasih.
Di pantat ini. Yang warna-warna ini di pantat. Ya.
Hadi's gonna get initiated into Manggerai life here.
Wanita teman di Marsel, lawan tadan de, lawan tada sekae, begitu tada mengasang anak Terima, begitu kalau tada sekae pamulong jadi rote cai.
And don't be angry. I'm very sorry for everything. If they prepare not good, not good job, and we are sorry.
With Meme, that Meme has had here last year was make us, Hadi and Meme, feel like we are friends of the King Warrior, himself. We're very happy to be here, and we're enjoying the whole family's company. Terima Kasih.
Terima kasih.
Now.
Bunga. And he's drawing a flower on her. Poka. Oh yeah, nama kampung. Poka. Matahari.
Matahari.
Yeah. A big smiling sun. And this guy is a local, well, from Poka. He's a teacher in, I guess, elementary school in a nearby town. And he's here, and he's explaining to the kids, little people on the house. Well, we have our first brave soul here trying his luck. He looks like he's making a picture of, I don't know who that is, somebody he knows. Maybe that's his guru di sekolah. He's drawing the legs, kaki.
Bagus sekali.
Bagus.
Papa!
Now we have the older generation taking their hand at it. Some of the elders, well, it's hard to see here. We got an inventive design going here. This is her own house, of course, that she's decorating with some floral arrangements. See, we got a little bit of a character now to the house. One of the villas here in Poka. Getting a little bit of a retouch. Waiting for the tourist season to begin. And they just want to touch up their the hotel here. The overseer is keeping an eye on Meme to make sure that she does it correctly. Okay.
And rumah ini sekarang sangat indah.
Yep. The price just went way up.
Harga naik from $100 to 10,000.
Yeah. And we have the construction inspectors here checking, make sure all the state regulations have been met. I'm going to the river, go get water by this.
Marsel, why don't you turn on the faucet?